Hi, in today's video from Howstuffinmycarworks.com, I'm going to show you how to replace the spark plugs and the distributor cap and rotor. The truck that we're using for this video is a 1995 F-150. This vehicle is equipped with a 5-liter engine, which is also known as a 302. This also applies to all F-Series trucks from 1992 to 1997 with V8 engines. You're going to need a ratchet, a 5/8 spark plug socket, and a couple of extensions. To make the job easier, you're going to want to transfer all the spark plug wires from the old cap to the new cap. To do this, locate the metal clip and the number 1. Start transferring your spark plug wires, starting with number 1. Then continue to put all the spark plug wires in their correct location so you don't mess up the firing order. Next, attach the metal clips and remove the old distributor cap. The next step is to remove the ignition rotor. Now, before you actually remove it, take note of the location that it's facing. Install the new one facing the exact same direction. Attach the new distributor cap. When you install the metal clips, here's a trick. Push on the bowed center part of it and push it on. It goes a lot easier. Remove the plug wire from the first spark plug. With the ratchet and socket, remove the spark plug. Locate the label under the hood. We're looking for the spark plug gap, which is located right here. It's 52 to 56 thousandths. Now the gap is the space between the negative and positive on the spark plug. To get the right gap, you use this gap gauge and you're going to stretch it out to 52. Next, apply a very light coat of anti-seize to the threads here. Install the new spark plug. I'm not going to use my ratchet part, it just makes it a little easier. Go at the right angle. Once it's finger tight, go ahead and snug it up with your ratchet. Now, as you're tightening it, you don't want to break the porcelain on the spark plug, so keep your hands right here to kind of keep it steady and level, and then snug it up. And that's it. Next, reinstall the plug wire, making sure it is on all the way. Repeat those steps with the remaining spark plugs. Normally you would also replace the spark plug wires when you're doing this, but ours were recently replaced. So check your wires, and this is a good time to replace them if needed. Now you know how to change the spark plugs and the distributor cap and rotor on your Ford pickup. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We upload videos every week. Thanks for watching. You're going to need a ratchet, a 5/8 spark plug socket, and a couple